Welcome, this is the locked version of the application, so we are downloading the unlocked version to see if it's worth paying for. Do stay with me till the end to see how to download it safely without a bug. So see the amount owner requested for. This a reasonable money, and we aren't sure this application worth it. All this locked. So let's download the unlocked version. So click on the link in the description, comment section or Telegram, then follow my steps. Once here, just scroll down. Now click on Generate Download Link. Wait for this to load. So now click on Go to Generated Link. So now scroll down. So click on Download. Click on Details. So wait for this to load. So now click on it. Click on Install. Wait for it to install. So now click on Open. So here it is, your log version of the GoalMatrix. This is their today picks. This is their VIP history. This is the drop picks halftime or full-time history. Correct score history. So now this is the unlocked VIP. When I click on it, you see it is unlocked. They are the lost on the 31. This their draw picks. This is the picks they have for today. So you know if they do edit, this is the correct score tips. So scroll down to see their results. This is the all combined VIP. So you scroll down, all section is unlocked. So enjoy the application, and this is the Telegram channel. So if the APK is not good, make sure to report the Telegram channel. So here is the application. You can enjoy it and know if they edit or not instead of you buying it. So I modded it so you won't get stuck, and I mean scammed. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe, like, then share for more videos.